just meeting me for the first time, my name is Kelvin, Sapp. DJ, Alpha, drop that one first. We'll use that one to start. How many of you remember this song? Give my volume. How many of you remember that song? Sir? Now that our boy sing the song, not people boy. Serious? We were enjoying it. When Mavro the year said Nigeria has a corn Russia for World Cup, the man declared himself dead. That was the biggest MMM they played in Nigeria. Nobody observed. Now, I love FunnyBone. Why I love FunnyBone? FunnyBone, I had to do one of the show for Lagos when they bring out most of the Igbos. Have you had a lie? Igbo people know the quick go show. Not truth. They go tell you, say, nah. They go ne. Say 2 million. Nah, happy if I can use that money to buy cement inside store. Igbo people, they don't get that time. Oh. But they come out. There was one time, Igbo people were agitating. Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. I can't ask for this kind of country. If they share this country, where it go reach you? With the economy where we get, if they share this country, some tribes, now spoon go reach them. Some na cup. Some self nothing at all go reach them. But the Igbos have been the most industrious people in this country. No doubt. Clap for yourself. They did try. Now Igbo people make us feel they understand, say, economy still they move small, small. No be joke. Imagine and say Alaba close. Una go not say this country they suffer. Mary got verse close one day. Una go not say the whole of this country they suffer. Igbo people now carry music, turn them upside down. There was a time in Nigeria we were hearing blues when Igbos decided to sing Westlife Common Market. There was a time in Nigeria where they hear songs like I have a dream. A song to sing. You know the song, right? When Igbos decided to sing. Now one Igbo woman wake, hold that same song. Wait till we hear now. I have a dream. A song to sing. Daddy made to help me cope one day. With everything. Igbo people, they get one signature for all their song. You must hear them. I see me for the one day. Somebody go like Jesus. I went to Alaba. I wanted to buy a CD, Amazing Grace. I told the man, I said, God, give me Amazing Grace. The man said, no, sing the one you want to buy. I sang for the man. I sang, Amazing Grace, how sweet that sound. The man said, I have it. I said, God, give me. He gave me the CD I was going. He said, now come. Have you heard this one? He played, Amazing Grace, how sweet that sound that saved a wretch like me. I saw, God, this one is sweet. Give me. Say, now wait. There's another one. This time he played, Amen, Amen, Amen. Amazing Grace, Amen, Amen, Amen. Amazing Grace, Amen, Amen, Amen. Amazing Grace. I saw, God, this one is sweet. Give me. Say, now wait. There's another one. This time the man played, Amazing Grace, Amazing, how sweet, Amazing thou sound. I now asked the man, I saw, God, among all these CD, which one is the original? I said, now buy, all of them are original. They are all amazing. You go take our, just buy and go. The Igbos, I love, when it comes to music, live on for Igbo. There was one time, Arokeli did a song, very beautiful song. You know, storm is over. I was in a tunnel and couldn't see the light. Whenever I look up, I couldn't see the sky. You know the song, right? Good. Igbo people hear that same song, they still decide to do them. And one thing I like the Igbos for, they will just take the chorus of your song, bring their own solo from right and left. And then be one of the people when they say they nearly pursue a song come off a market. When a song does sing. Igbo people sing reggae blues. Till now, a song not if you play reggae blues for Abba. Because Abba people get their version. If you go Abba, wait till you go here now. After the reggae, lady blues, baby boo, do as I do. Shady galale, shady booze, even your boo, get a boo, daddy me, even your boo. And the song, they beg them. May they not release that version because it will kill them. Straight to Arokeli's song. Simple song Arokeli sang. The Igbos woke up and said, this song by Arokeli, we are going to sing it. They hold the song. Bring their own beat. Carry the solo. Begin sing the song. DJ. They go start the song very simple like this. Yabube, Nadibe, Nadibe, Onale, Nadibe, Nadibe. Ladies and gentlemen, this song I'm about to sing is by our brother Arokeli. This one is a remix of the original. She'll constant. I was in a tunnel, I couldn't see the light. And I'm in the tunnel, I couldn't the light. Wherever I look up, I couldn't the sky. Somebody holla, Jesus! I see my look up, I couldn't the sky. Now you know I like people. They only know those two lines. So they will go straight to the chorus. You will hear the chorus. Ebube, storm is over. Nadibe, storm is over. You know, Arokeli said, I can see the sunshine somewhere beyond the star. No. Igbo people that see sunshine for where city go say. I can, you go hear their own. Nadibe, I can see the sunshine somewhere beyond Enugu. I see the sunshine somewhere beyond Alabama. Now, we are going to shock you. They will come call another person. When you feel say normal, they will call him, now come and sing solo too. That one go come sing what you not expect for your life. You go, your waka come. Twinkle, twinkle, little sky. Shine. Oh, I wonder where you are. Now this is that wala. Now that the storm is over. Twinkle, twinkle, little sky. DJ Killer. Igbos. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I leave you, I got you money. Now, go and remember when I go crack before you go help me. If all this joke never funny, this last one I won't crack, so help me. I don't tell you my mind. Ask them, I'll be worried about you. If not that you're shame, I know how much. My boys, they're outside. So just as you don't near you there, so help me. Ladies and gentlemen, I like thinking outside the box. I thought of something. The song that Davido sang, titled Fire. Have you ever imagined if that song was done by an opera choir? You give the song to a Catholic choir and you tell them, do this song in the Catholic rhythm. And you know, say Catholic church, their music now. Amen, amen, you know, say so Catholic church, their songs be. Then you give them the song, say, we want you to do this song in opera. It's something like this you are going to hear. I beg, if God touch you, spray me. This joke funny. Those who don't hear the joke before, they don't say funny. Now,
thank you.
Give me the beat. Obi, baddest.
Sure, they want $1 million. So make a wire. Tell me to undercover man. the family, my love.
Now you go there.
Fire, fire. I love you. Fire, fire. Don't say make I put one hand for. I love you. Fire, fire. Don't say make I put one leg. Fire, fire. I love you. Fire, fire. Don't say make I put one hand for. I love you. Fire, fire. Don't say make I put one leg for. Carolina Savior, drama. Fire, 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 fire.
Hi, if you like this video, it's simple. Subscribe to the FunnyBone comedy channel by clicking on the red button to subscribe and the bell button beside it for notifications. And trust me, it will watch your time and energy. FunnyBone says so. Laughter all the way. Stick around.